Have you ever encountered someone who snores deeply? Oh my gosh, I feel like putting cotton wool into his nostrils. It's, to say the least, really embarrassing. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 simple ways, anyway, not all of them are simple, to stop snoring or help somebody who snores stop snoring. Coming up. Jacob was already fast asleep, trying to get some rest during noontime because he works at night and has to stay awake all through the night. His wife, Janelle, is sleeping in the sitting room but is now snoring deeply. Oh my gosh. Jacob can no longer sleep. How many of us are aware that women also snore? Indicate in the comment section. And also, guys, I want you to comment between guys and ladies, who snores more? I want to see your opinion and your take on this matter. Here are some tips for Jacob to help his wife stop snoring so that both of them can have better sleep. Because like it or not, the person snoring would prevent you from getting good sleep because of the noise pollution.
The person snoring too, it's not also good for his or her health. So stick with me. Let's dive in. If you've not subscribed to this channel,
do well to subscribe so that you can see more of my contents. Stay informed about your health. Start by losing weight. Over 80% of people who snore are either obese or generally big in size. That is why this is the first point, because you start by losing weight. A fat person has more fats lining his airway. So any little wrong position you take causes maximum problems like snoring. And we don't want that. So start by losing weight. Eat right, take a diet plan, and start an exercise plan. And that will help you shed excess weight. Avoid alcohol, especially when it's close to bedtime. Many people like taking alcohol, which generally is not healthy. However, if you must take, you take it long before bedtime. Avoid it especially close to bedtime. 3. Avoid sleeping on your back. Many people, because of tiredness, they can just fall on the bed and they lie face up and sleep off. When you sleep like that, it puts pressure on your airway. So gravity tends to put pressure on your airway, making it difficult for air movement in and out as you breathe in during sleep. And that can produce snoring. So when you sleep, lie to your left, assume the left lateral or right lateral positions when you sleep, and that can help relieve your airway so that air can move in and out freely. 4. Treat every upper respiratory tract infection you may have. Ensure you treat every upper respiratory tract infection, from the common cold to cough, catarrh, whatever it is. Ensure you treat it adequately, and that can help reduce or remove snoring. If your airway is blocked with phlegm, that can hinder air passage and cause abnormal rattling. The snoring. Snoring is the rattling sound caused by air movements. So as air moves into your lungs through your trachea down to your lower respiratory tract, that movement of air, if there is any obstruction in the line, it can cause harsh noise or sounds being made as air moves, especially on inspiration and then also mildly on expiration. So you don't want that. So you want your airway to be clear so that air movement is without turbulence. 5. Use anti-snoring mouthpiece devices. There are anti-snoring mouthpieces which you can use to prevent snoring. If you've tried every other thing and it's not working, you can use anti-snoring mouthpiece and devices, and that can help prevent you from snoring. Avoid smoking, especially close to bedtime. Avoid smoking in general, because smoking in general can cause what we call chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and that can lead to snoring. You don't want that. So avoid smoking, avoid excessive alcohol. Sometimes snoring can be a sign of a sleep disorder, which we call obstructive sleep apnea. And if that is the case, some of them can be treated surgically. You will need to see your doctor, and your doctor will ask you some questions and know how to best take care of you. 8. Avoid sleeping on an inclined surface. Some people sleep on their couch. They sleep on the couch. The couch has an elevation, and that inclined surface, or some even sleep on the ground and put their head on the couch, and that inclined position can predispose you to snoring. So avoid sleeping on an inclined plane. Preferably, like I said, sleep to your left lateral, lie on the side, your left lateral or right lateral positions to the side, and avoid sleeping on an inclined plane, whether on the floor and then your head is up somewhere, or you're up somewhere and then your head is down. Avoid sleeping on an inclined position. And sometimes snoring could be because we haven't got enough sleep. Sometimes it could be because the person is in deep sleep, really tired. When some people are really tired and they sleep off, they tend to snore. So in such cases, you want to ensure that you avoid getting excessively tired. You avoid getting so tired that when you sleep off, you start snoring. It's better to have short bullets of sleep so that you are able to prevent yourself or prevent your loved one from snoring. So avoid denying yourself of sleep. That can help improve your snoring. Get enough sleep. If all of these fail, you've tried all of these, and your partner or you are still snoring, then I guess I need to leave the room for you so that you can have time to sleep, because the person snoring makes noise, and that noise can prevent you from having enough sleep, which can affect you psychologically. Inadequate sleep can affect you, can affect your brain. So if all of these fail and there's really nothing to do, the next thing is you have to sleep separately, separate beds, so that you can have enough sleep. I hope this helps. Try this at home and make sure you live a healthy life. Avoid things that will predispose you or make you to snore. Snoring is socially unacceptable. Whatever you can do to prevent it, please do it to help your loved one. If you like contents like this, do well to hit the like button so that I know that you love my content, and subscribe to this channel so that next time when I'm posting another video, you'll be the first person to know. And I'll see you in my next video. Watch my video on 14 ways to take care of your health even at home. Click on this video showing by the side, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay healthy and don't mess things up.